Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrency in a crypto market. So before starting this video, please click the subscribe button and complete my 2K subscriber. Thank you so much for your support. Now let's see the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies in the market. As you can see, that is a live price prediction of cryptocurrencies of Zilliqa in the last 1 hour result. You are watching now. The change is in negative 0.07 of Zilliqa in the last 1 hour. As you can see here, the high price of Zilliqa cryptocurrency in a market is 0.168895 is the high price of Zilliqa in the market. As you can see the chart analysis of Zilliqa cryptocurrency. So after a great fall, so after a great dumping time, they start again jumping upward. As you can see here, they start jumping upward. So it's a best news, it's a good news for all Zilliqa holders. Please subscribe now our channel for this good news. Thank you so much. Now let's see the live price prediction of previous 2 hour, what's going in the previous 2 hour of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. So as I said to you, so after a great fast they start jumping upward. As you can see here, the dumping time, the falling of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. So after a great fast they start jumping upward. So it's the best time to buy a Zilliqa cryptocurrencies and make a good profit by Zilliqa in a cryptocurrencies marketing. As you can see here, and the previous 2 hour result of Zilliqa cryptocurrency as negative 1.1% change in the high price of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies in a previous 2 hour is $0.169702 is the high price of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. Now the current price of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies is $0.167806 is the current price of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency.